So I missed church this morning. Wait. This is Dora, that yarny zebra, with the migraine of the year. Thus, the solar shields that are not coming off. I want to just turn off the lights in here and, oh, look. I found something. I think the drainage from my nostril. It's for headache, guys. And I do have a little sore throat. Oh, and minor aches and pains. No, forget about it. Yes, I am filming my medicine cabinet. I really am. Oh, look at this joyous friend. Oh, that was painful. A little joy in this beautiful morning that's rainy and still 70 degrees. Whew, this was on my daughter's first birthday cake, my youngest. Look who it is. Anybody recognize this little person? Or thingy? Autumn. This was on her first birthday cake. This is Poe, in case you don't know. From the Teletubbies. Yes, I don't just hoard yarn, I hoard special memories. I should just hoard them all in my head, but sometimes you can't help it. You gotta. Anyway, I'm gonna take this. Oh, wait, what's this? Alka-Seltzer cold and flu. I'm not sure if I have the flu, and with being a zebra, I pray that I don't, but pain reliever, fever reducer, headache and body ache. Well, something. Yeah, that's diabetic person. That's me. Okay, I'm gonna go for this. I need this right now. Never been opened. Oh, I totally forgot about this glorious gift that came from my Susan Stewart. Oh, I love this. And yes, it's in my bathroom. In my crazy teal bathroom. All this messy stuff going on in here. But, it is what it is, guys. The downstairs bathroom. Oh, yeah, well, we're heading toward the kitchen and moving right along. Uh-oh. I don't think you could see it. Unfortunately, I've got to turn on some light on the subject, but this is the Christmas tree in my kitchen. Yes. Why is it so dark? Okay, it's not just because I'm wearing these glasses. I know. I gotta figure out what's going on in here. I have the flash on. Still. Okay, well, here we go. This is the tree in my country kitchen. Oh, hey, little guy. Guardian of the pomegranates. Yeah, so this is my tree in the kitchen. This little gadget lost its holder, so it's laying down. Oh, the little crochet. These are filled with yarn. Just look at that. Got some yarn going on up in here. Can you see this, guys? I'm not sure. That one's got yarn in it. These have nothing in them. But this is... Sorry. This is my tree in the kitchen. In my country kitchen. Yeah. Sort of blinding me, but I do have all my shades. And this is what it is, y'all. This is it. Crocheted this little baby. This big fuzzy thing is crocheted as well. This one is just filled with yarn. One of those clear ornaments. I think I showed you some of that at one point, but this one has yarn in it. Okay, I'm done. I'm just very, very nauseated and could use a migraine shot from the hospital, but don't have a way to the hospital right now. Not calling an ambulance. No, I'm not. So I'm trying to make myself have a little joy by showing you guys this beautiful tree that has brought me some joy this Christmas. So there it is. My messy country kitchen stuff going on. Yeah. And anyway, I'll not look at this other mess over here. We'll just call it quits right now because I feel really bad, really icky, and I need to take this. I need to take this and go lie down. I'm so sad I missed church today, but here we go. Here it is. Oh, I promised you to show you my kitchen backdrop and the matching towels, so let's move on over there.